Today we're going to learn a fast song, and you will need this music, your fingers, and a piano. Let's get started. This song will be fast, and it uses fingers 2 and 3 on the right hand. Before we play fast, let's just practice wiggling our fingers in the air, shall we? So we're going to do a pattern 2, 2, 3, 3. You try it. Now I'm going to do that pattern 2 times. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. You try it. Now I'm going to do that pattern 2 times, and then I'm going to do 5 number 2 fingers. Here we go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How did you do? Let's try it a little faster. Ready? 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That was pretty fast. Now when we go to the piano, it can be hard to play fast. We need to use our wrist and our arm to bounce that finger. So we will be showing you some white keys. You can use any 2 white keys, but the ones I'm going to use are these. I'm going to go to the 2 group, and I'll play the note in between the keys with finger 2. And then I'll play the next door neighbor note with finger 3. And now I'll do the first pattern. 2, 2, 3, 3. You try it. Now I'll do that pattern 2 times. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. You try it. Now I am going to do that pattern plus the 5 number 2s at the end. Here I go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yay! You try it. All right. Now this is what it will look like when I play it fast. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All right. Now what is the secret to playing it fast? We need to use our wrist. And here is the side view of what my wrist looks like when I play it. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It's really fun to play fast when you use your wrist. Now this song is about a cheetah and how fast it goes. So we're going to sing running, jumping, skipping, twirling, going very fast. And we're going to pretend that we are as fast as a cheetah. So here's the song one more time with the cheetah feeling and the words. Here we go. Running, jumping, skipping, twirling, going very fast. I hope that you had a lot of fun with the running, jumping, skipping, twirling song, and that you can play fast as a cheetah.